lunchtime. Just making some sandwiches. I already made Manly his. And Jake's not here today, so we've just got Tyler, Jonah, Sissy, Daddy, and me. Jonah and Tyler, I'm sure, want bologna. Me and Sissy and Tyler love mayonnaise. Tyler, that's like, if he has french fries, he just dips his french fries with mayonnaise. I think I'm just gonna go with turkey this time, no Swiss. Oh, I'm gonna put some red pepper flakes on it though. Yummy. Once again, it's supposed to rain, y'all, but I think we can get everything in the grow bags before it starts. Manny, your beans are actually growing.
Is my other one growing?
I think you need to stick them down in there a little farther.
Oh.
You're a good planter, huh?
Let's go look at my other plants.
Do you remember where you planted everything?
Yeah. Look. One's right there. Are they growing?
You planted one in there?
Yeah, I don't think that's growing.
I'm gonna go ahead and put the tomato cages around these 4 tomato plants here. These are some pretty sturdy cages. I got them from Walmart. Like $4. Oh my goodness, I already see some peppers over here, y'all. All right, we got those on. Now let's see, what peppers are these that already have peppers on them over here? See those? Isn't that beautiful? This is chili peppers. That's probably chili peppers too. They were already really good started plants. Pretty sure this is also chili peppers. Yes. Look at that one. We've got poblano peppers here. I've never planted poblano. We've done Tabasco, habanero, Hungarian hot wax peppers, banana peppers, and bell peppers. So this is our first time doing poblano, our first time doing these types of chili peppers here, and my first time doing serrano. I'm really excited about the serrano peppers because I love those. And this one was the mystery pepper plant. I'm pretty positive that it's also serrano because I picked up 2 of the serrano pepper plants and handed them to Titus. I'm pretty sure the label just fell off of that one, but I didn't remember it being that small. Not as, you know, that much smaller than that one, but. And then over there we have the, what are you? It's been raining so much. Oh no, this is not a pepper, this is a tomato. This is the Lemon Boy tomato plant here. I gotta get some more cages. These just, it's not, you know, it doesn't need one quite yet, but I'll need one for this one for the Mr. Stripey, 2 for the Cherokee Purple because I have 2 Cherokee Purple plants. And then we also have the yellow pear grape tomato seeds coming. So we're gonna have to get some more tomato cages. What was this one? This is the habanero, serrano, and then that one is hot banana. So now we're gonna get all these into grow bags. If I don't have enough grow bags, the parsley and the, I think it's parsley, cilantro, and basil, I'll just get some planters for those because I have those in these yellow planters, the little yellow ones around the corners. That one's mint right there in that planter. And then cilantro and basil. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure the squash and all that gets in grow bags first. We'll also have to have some cages or something for the squash too, and the cucumbers. But I'm gonna get those in grow bags first, and then whatever's left, we'll just get some planters for those. I gotta hurry, because those clouds are looking heavy. These are 10-gallon grow bags. So what we did last year, the year before, I don't remember folding them down any, but last year, we planted the plants in them, but we didn't have enough soil to go all the way to the top. We were just to about right here. So we just folded them down then, and it worked out perfect. So they do have 5-gallon ones, but I went ahead and just went with the 10 again, and you know, it's easy just to fold those down if you want to. I really like these because they have a little spot where you can label what's in here. I'll link both of the kinds that I have down below for y'all. I think I'm gonna go with the Mr. Stripey in this grow bag. Mr. Stripey tomatoes, they're really pretty. Sissy strawberry plant is doing really good over here too. I've got 3 done so far, and I better hurry. He out here working hard? Yeah. Okay, he's minding the nifty TM50. I didn't get finished before the rain came.
As y'all can see, it's pouring rain. We've been dealing with this off and on, off and on. I had to rent that lift. Time we got started, it was pretty late in the evening, and I was out there in the rain, in the dark, trying to put trim on. But we having to make it work right now because I got to take that thing back.
Let me show you how small it is compared to my transformer. Okay, see? It's much more bigger than it. Look, there's a badge right here and a badge right there because it's black and a white one right there.
Okay, the rain stopped. Everything has been watered. I'm gonna finish these last 3 grow bags. I was about to start working on a cake that I'm making for tomorrow. It has to be refrigerated for at least 10 hours or overnight. So I was gonna go ahead and start it, but the rain stopped. Hey, chicken, what you doing? Nothing to see here, girls, nothing to see here. They heard me opening up that soil and they're like, feeding time. They thought it was feed.
Need a towel. It's been a rough job right
I mean, that came out of nowhere.
There's a lot of things I'd love to do a little bit different, but we having to really get in gear on this thing right here. I'm gonna touch it up a little bit in certain spots.
The rain has returned, so now we'll cook supper. Sausage and pepper, not hoagies, because Walmart didn't have the hoagie rolls. They substituted some sliders. Let's see what they are. Potato roll sliders. They still look really good. Since it's raining, we won't be doing them on the Blackstone. Just got a little oil in there. We've got 2 of these beef smoked sausages, and I'm gonna make some of the sauce to go on them. A little bit of mayonnaise and probably some spicy brown mustard mixed together. Is that what I've got here? Yeah. Spicy brown. Since these are going on the sliders, I'm gonna cut them smaller than I normally would. Yeah, don't tickle people with food in their mouth. That's right. So we're just gonna put some mayonnaise. I think I'm just gonna do the mayonnaise and the spicy brown mustard. Sometimes I might add a little Worcestershire sauce. I will put just a little Worcestershire sauce. This goes really good with the smoked sausage. If I just use mustard, I add a few other spices, but since this is already the spicy brown, we'll just use this.
Alright everybody, we out of paint. We stopped to get one of these bad boys right here. And listen folks, I've told y'all about this Badger Bone minivan I got, and I'm really proud of this thing. Now I got something extra that no one else has. I'm looking at his, every car at McDonald's, nobody's got this. I'm gonna actually get out and show y'all what I've got. Well, I got a little bit right here, and you know, we got some hanging right here, and all down in here. Look at all this. It's just hanging all over the place. Like I say, we just washed it, like what, 2 days ago? Here we are today. But we're gonna leave it because, like I said, it'd be more for people to talk about. It's like, you remember that bad minivan I told you about? Now, it's the bad minivan with carpet all over it. You reckon any of these people would want free?
They might. They might
know what I'm
want.
saying?
Yeah.
They can plant their own pot. What was that show when we were little where the guy had that black car that he'd be going down the road and the car would talk to him?
Oh, I know that show. Blake had some kind of toy car of that car.
I want this minivan to do that. That's the reason I'm thinking.
I know.
I'm actually going to start a TV show when this happens. Of course, I'm going to leave my pollen. I'll probably put more pollen in this, actually. Have a Reese's Fast Break and a cup of coffee.
What was the name of that show? Okay, I'm gonna have to look it up. Knight Rider. I was like, at first I thought you smeared your Reese's Fast Break up against the window over there.
No.
With this pollen.
You know what we could do? Just like people used to do at school, when that little trick came out where you put Elmer's glue on a piece of paper and write something, then sprinkle glitter on it.
Yeah.
Dump it off. That's what I'm gonna do with my pollen. I'm gonna do some kind of adhesive across that back glass back there, and I'm gonna put Knight Rider. And then when the wind blows, it'll blow all the loose off, and blow all the loose off, and leave that. Cheers.
Oh, this needs to definitely go in our house.
Don't it?
Why do kids put trash sometimes beside the trash can?
I don't know, but I need this for my cow dogs. Poop freeze on. More of this.
Oh, we definitely need this up. It needs to be everywhere right now. I'm gonna put this in the kitchen at night after I get done cleaning it.
Oh, mama, that'd be awesome right there.